so long without any results of what I wanted. I'm really grateful for all the steps I took to get here. And though not all of them looked the way that I wanted them to, it's all part of this. So I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm happy for everyone and everything that has happened along the way. And, you know, I'm truly getting to know myself through all of this. And, you know, it's nice to be here again. It's nice to feel myself again. So scared going into this fight. I was very, very scared. You know, coming off of 3 losses, I really just wanted to dance my dance, be wild and crazy and me and aggressive and just nonstop and go for 15 minutes as hard as I could. You know, and I have amazing fans and a lot of support and love that was pouring at me, and I felt it and I used it and I turned it around and put it on that girl. It's an art, and unfortunately your opponent is your canvas, you know, and I got to finish a piece on her. I really took charge and, you know, changed everything in completely vulnerable ways and just, you know, shot in the dark and went for what I thought to be right for myself, and it ended up being right. And I'm happy I made those experiments. I'm happy I took those chances. if I kept showing up and I kept running experiments and trying new things and doing the stuff that scared me, like I'd find footing, you know, and this is a step.
And here, look at this outside trip. When she gets around the ankle here, puts weight on it. Great stuff. She's been working on her judo, classic judo stuff with the outside trip. It's paid off.
I guess Ronda Rousey's coach knew what he was talking about.
This was hard. All of this was hard. There was no easy days in this whole thing. No easy days. Not